So we have our connections made with Firebase now at last. Just to say there again, the core Firebase JavaScript SDK, we must connect to this first. This is like saying, all right, we want to make a connection between our website and Firebase in general. And then when we pull in our JavaScript page here, a bit of JavaScript, which is loaded in here just for separation. This is the actual code that allows us to connect to our specific JavaScript project, which is in my case temp readings 23rd of the 2nd 22. And then we need to initialize Firebase with this line here. So now what is going on here? Well, if we think about this here, what we want to do is we want to click on a button, and when we click on that button we want to show the live temperatures coming in, or if our microbit is not putting in the live temperatures anymore, it will still show just the temperatures that are in Firebase. So we want to have this action here where we click the button and something happens and then it displays the temperature. So behind the scenes here, what is going on is if up above on my button line here, when I have this event handler on click of the button, I want you to activate a function called getData. Now I haven't even set that up yet, and that's what I'm going to do now. So to get data, we'll start off with a function keyword in JavaScript, and so this is going to be the function we're going to use when the button is clicked. And notice how for comments in JavaScript you use 2 slashes. So this is the function when the button is clicked. So then you have 2 curly brackets. Now that is kind of the general syntax of a function in JavaScript. Oh, of course, don't forget your function name, getData, and we're not passing it any data as it stands at the moment. Now I like to separate it out like this, and you can see exactly what's going on. So I'm going to start off first of all by creating a connection to the specific folder that we have. Create a connection. And to make this simple, actually, let's do that in the next video.